Ladies and gentlemen, approaching the grandstand from the right are two Sea 42 Charlie helicopters being piloted by Commander Yuvraj Kumar and Commander Mahesh. They will carry out a highly coordinated maneuver as they insert a team of Marine commandos behind enemy lines.
दर्शक बंधु ठीक सामना को देखंतु कारण आपण माने शीघ्र साहसी मरीन कमांडो मानंकु सी किंग 42 चार्ली हेलिकॉप्टर रु रसी माध्यम रे अवतरण करिवार देखिबे जेउथिरे एएलएच हेलिकॉप्टर आकाश मार्ग रु सुरक्षा देउछि।
देवी और सज्जनों, अब हम मरीन कमांडोज द्वारा एक रोमांचक प्रदर्शन के साक्षी बनने वाले हैं, जहां वे अपनी अद्भुत कौशल और समन्वित संचालन का प्रदर्शन करेंगे।
Ladies and gentlemen, please watch closely as the two helicopters descend low over the assault boats, their skilled crew executing a technique known as slithering, allowing Marcos to rapidly descend into the boats using ropes.
देवी और सज्जनों, सीधा सामने देखिए, क्योंकि आप शीघ्र ही हमारे दुर्जय मरीन कमांडोज को एक सी किंग चार्ली हेलीकॉप्टर से रस्सी के सहारे नीचे उतरते हुए देख पाएंगे। उसके पीछे एएलएच हेलीकॉप्टर एयर कवर प्रदान कर रहा है।
Ladies and gentlemen, look right ahead of you as you would shortly witness our formidable Marine commandos slithering down from the Sea King Charlie helicopter with the advanced light helicopter providing close support from behind.
चिन्हित करी आत्मनिर्भरतार प्रमाण चिन्हित करी आत्मनिर्भरतार प्रमाण आकाश रे उड़ुछि एएलएच विमान आमे आजिर भारतीय नौसेना।
देवी और सज्जनों, मार्कोस तेजी से जेमिनी पर स्लिदरिंग कर रहे हैं। ये न केवल हेलीकॉप्टर पायलट से अत्यधिक सटीकता की मांग करता है, बल्कि मार्कोस की तीव्र गति को भी दर्शाता है।
Slithering is a rapid way to deploy Marine commandos where helicopters cannot land. This not only requires extreme precision from the helicopter pilot, but also swiftness from the Marcos.
स्लिदरिंग द्रुत गति रे करा जाउथिबा एमिति एक पद्धति जहा द्वारा मरीन कमांडो मानंकु सेही स्थान रे नियुक्त करा जाए जेउठारे हेलिकॉप्टर अवतरण करि पारे नाही।
Ladies and gentlemen, the advanced light helicopter is being piloted by Commander Subrat Tripathi, undertaking the demanding task of providing aerial cover. The sniper team on board is ready to engage and neutralize any hostile targets with a deadly and accurate fire from above.
इन जाबाज मार्कोस का नेतृत्व आशिम डोले चीफ एमी कर रहे हैं।
The commandos are being led by Ashim Dole, Chief Emmy. The Marine Commandos Force, also known as Marcos, was raised in 1987. It is the special force unit of the Indian Navy capable of operating in all dimensions. These naval frogmen operate in teams of 8, known as the Prahar. They are known for their ability to operate in various terrains that includes jungle, urban, and maritime environment. The Marine Commandos have been involved in several significant operations, reflecting their readiness to respond to various challenges. The Marine Commandos of the Indian Navy play a pivotal role in countering piracy in the Gulf of Aden and North Arabian Sea. They are part of India's ongoing efforts to ensure the safety of international maritime trade. Marcos conduct highly specialized anti-piracy operations, swiftly instrumental in the rescue of the hijacked merchant vessel MV Ruin. The rapid deployment, tactical precision, and seamless coordination with other naval forces led to the safe release of hostages and the neutralization of pirates.